Welcome to MAQK Knowledge Hub.
Why MCQs? According to research, MCQs are 200% more effective for memory than passive learning. At MAQK Knowledge Hub, we turn facts into fun challenges so you learn faster and remember longer. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's unlock knowledge. Hey kids, welcome to our Vocabulary and Spelling video series Part 2. It's a fun way to test and improve your vocabulary and spelling skills with 20 tricky MCQs. You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Choose the correct spelling from 4 options, and see how many you get right. It's perfect for practice exams or just learning new words. Let's get started and have fun learning. Best of luck, get ready.
Choose the correct spelling for a word used for creative thought. Correct answer is option B, IMAGINATION. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for a mishap. Correct answer is option C, ACCIDENT. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for in the middle of two. Correct answer is option A, BETWEEN. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for how good something is. Correct answer is option D, QUALITY. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for a learner. Correct answer is option B, STUDENT. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for something you must have. Correct answer is option C, NECESSARY. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for legal permit. Correct answer is option ALICENSE. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for having success. Correct answer is option D, SUCCESSFUL. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for lack of knowledge. Correct answer is option D, IGNORANCE. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for how well you do. Correct answer is option B, PERFORMANCE. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for old way of doing things. Correct answer is option C, TRADITION. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for a survey form. Correct answer is option A, QUESTIONNAIRE. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for helper who offers time. Correct answer is option D, volunteer. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for duty you must do. Correct answer is option D, responsibility. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for place with books. Correct answer is option B, libray. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for place for sick people. Correct answer is option C, hospital. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for growth of something. Correct answer is option D, development. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for location detail. Correct answer is option B, address. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for to start. Correct answer is option D, begin. Choose the correct spelling for a word used for have faith in. Correct answer is option A, believe.
Thanks for watching part 2 of our Vocabulary and Spelling Challenge MCQs series. More parts are coming soon, with new words and fun challenges. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Share this video with your friends and challenge them too. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. See you in part 3, only on Mac Knowledge Hub.